Look at this shot. Now look at this one. Same camera. Same lens. Same settings. The only difference is lighting. And this is the exact reason most beginner videos look flat, washed out, and amateur, even with expensive gear. Today, I'm going to show you how lighting alone can make your shots instantly cinematic. And we're starting with the most important concept almost everyone ignores. Lighting isn't about brightness, it's about depth. Professional films look cinematic because the subject feels three-dimensional, separated from the background, and lighting is what creates that illusion. Once you understand this, your videos won't just look better, they'll feel better. Every light you use has 4 characteristics: direction, color, quantity, and quality. Trying to master all 4 at once is overwhelming, so we're doing this the smart way. In this video, we're focusing on light direction with a quick look at color. In the next video, we'll cover light quality versus quantity. Your key light is your main light. Where you place it changes everything. The most cinematic starting position is slightly above eye level and about 45 degrees off to one side. Why? Because it creates shadows, and shadows create shape. No shadows equals a flat image. Controlled shadows equals cinematic depth. Well, here's what not to do. If your light is too high, you get those dark, unflattering raccoon eyes. If it's too low, you get spooky campfire lighting. The sweet spot creates a soft shadow under the chin, well-lit eyes, and natural facial contours. This is what makes faces feel dimensional instead of flat. Let's zoom in and look closely at the eyes. See that little reflection? It's called a catch light, and it's a huge detail. Catch lights draw attention to the eyes, add life to your subject, and instantly elevate your production value. Different light sources create different catch light shapes, like from windows, soft boxes, or even reflected light outdoors. Pros always notice this. Now let's move the key light and see how the mood changes. First up, flat lighting. This is when the light is directly in front of the subject. It's even clean and has minimal shadows. It's great for beauty shots and commercials, but not so great for cinematic storytelling. Next, butterfly or paramount lighting. Here, the light is raised slightly above the center. It accentuates the cheekbones and creates a soft shadow right under the nose. This is a classic Hollywood look, used heavily for glamour and elegance. Third is loop lighting. For this, we move the light slightly to the side. The shadow from the nose forms a small loop, which has a nice slimming effect on most faces. It's balanced, natural, and a great everyday cinematic option. Now for a classic, Rembrandt lighting. Move the light to about 45 degrees to the side. You'll see a triangle of light on the cheek. This creates strong depth and high drama. It's one of the most common looks in cinema, especially when you shoot from the darker side of the face. Finally, we have split lighting. The light is positioned 90 degrees to the side. One side of the face is lit, and the other is in shadow. It's bold, dramatic, and powerful. You'll often see this used for intense or serious moments in film. Now let's add a second light, the backlight. This creates a beautiful rim of light around your subject, separating them from the background. It mimics that golden hour glow and instantly adds a layer of polish. To set it up, position it slightly above and behind your subject. This one addition alone can take your shot from looking amateur to truly cinematic. What about the shadows? That's where a fill light comes in. Fill light controls the contrast of your scene. More fill light makes your shot brighter, softer, and more cheerful. Less fill light makes it darker, moodier, and more cinematic. Most cinematic setups use less fill, not more. Sometimes, a simple white reflector is all you need to bounce a little light back and soften those shadows. And please, never forget the background. If it's completely dark, your shot loses context and feels empty. A simple trick is to light the background on the shadow side of your subject and keep it dark behind the bright side. This checkerboard effect adds even more depth and makes your subject pop right off the screen. Ready for one final upgrade? Color contrast? A simple colored gel on your backlight can completely change the mood and feel of your shot, and that's exactly what we'll be covering in detail next time. Lighting is one of the fastest ways to level up your videos, and this was just part 1. If you want the full breakdown on light quality, softness, and how to control it all, that's coming up next. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.